Welcome to the mini loader build. Last time we got the door frame in place. I'm going to start installing the windows. I have this weld here because last time I thought I would do it the next time, but it is the next time right now. It's in place. I'm going to start welding. Other side windows. And I've put them on the floor, so now I have to take this piece and try to bend it so that these windows will sit on top of these. It's easier to bend it like this. I can just bend matches the curve, so this is okay, but I'm pretty sure the door is wider than these windows, so yeah. How did I mess up so bad? Try to put the windows on. The windows are on, but they don't look the same as the other side, cause the other side is a lot more tilted in at the top. Would have to go into this door frame, but well, there are options. Doesn't have to be symmetrical on both sides. Shit, I'm not sure. Can I move these anymore? Anywhere? So I decided I will be a little quirky. The glass will not line up with each other, but I think I can make it quite similar to the other side. I'm gonna tape the glass, maybe that'll help. So if the window fits, I'm done with the first frame, but if it's wonky then I don't know what we'll do, but there's a little gap over here, but it's okay. I'm gonna glue these glasses on. Not sure what to do with the rear glass. It's not going to be pretty. So when I took the windows from the car, I also got this small one, and it seems that it belongs here. So I'm gonna make the door out of the 3 windows. So I put some windows on here for test. The frames are nice and tight against the windows. I'm going to bend the bottom piece, and then I hope the window will look much better. So I had to bend this out about 5-7 centimeters, maybe 7, and that way this lines up, and I have to build an extension for the door, but that's okay. Gonna make a support over here. This upper piece and should the glass fits nice. Just gonna clean it up and cut off the excess. The door has bent a bit from up here, but I hope I can force it back. I hope this is enough for it. Test fit this. Yeah. Okay, I have the ceiling surface, front glass also. Because the welding might bend the frame. This is all good. So I now have all the framework for the windows on the door, not all the windows.